Okay guys, welcome back. B is for boost, and today, well, it's still winter, unfortunately. So today we are going to go over a few things, give you kind of a garage up to date. Today is a big day. The Civic truck went for paint, which is huge. We bought that I think last November, a little over a year, putting on it here and there with all the other projects. So today we're going to talk about a giveaway. So if you're new, make sure you stick around, or if you're just stopping in, make sure you stick around either way. We're going to go over that as well. So the first car of the update is the Honda Fit J-Swap. So as you see here, it is a Honda Fit, and there is a J-Swap in there. I'm not going to go over all the cars like in depth because I'll just post the videos up top if you guys want to check it out. But you'll see it is a gutted J-Swap. It does have old seats in it, but we do have a surprise. We have new seats, we have NITROUS, and we have our first LOL Fit t-shirts. So we're going to give away one, guys, on the channel. All you need to do is subscribe and share the video. Let's get it out there. So we'll let it run for a week and then I'll give it away. We're also doing the same giveaway on Instagram. So jump over to our Instagram. B is for boost. Subscribe, like, leave a comment, take a friend in your comment, and we're going to give away each channel or each social media is going to give away a t-shirt and a whole bunch of decals. So it's going to be an LL Fit t-shirt up in the corner. You'll see it right now. We designed it ourselves, and actually we have a new sponsor for the car. So YST, they're local, they're going to wrap the car. So we are going to wrap this something, I don't even know what we're wrapping it, and quite frankly I don't even care. I just want it all one color for the drag racing. So that's the Fit. We'll walk over here, guys. We push this out of the way. My driveway is like a disaster right now. We have the turbo 6-liter Sierra. So that's going in the garage here shortly. We're going to finish that off. So we do have some sad news on the channel. I want it to downsize a little bit, and I want to kind of revamp the channel. So I'm big into SRTs, obviously. We had this SRT. This was going to be our drag SRT. It was going to be big turbo built motor, 3-speed auto, balls to the wall type car. E98. We had the Walbro 450, tons of parts. But instead of buying, you know, another big turbo and buying another set of cams and stuff, we have our big turbo black SRT. So I'm going to tell you something. This is now sold. Stays here until spring and then it's gone. So this is off the channel, but we got something better, cooler, something more exciting. Okay, so what a mess. We do have a new bumper for the Fit right there with the factory lip. We got the rear lip as well. We're missing the side skirts, but that will be a different video when we do the racing seats. We still have our PT Cruiser $650 winter beater. The retrofits are not in yet because we've been extremely busy, but they will go in. We still have our carbon fiber donor car. We're going to use this for all the panels. Now, if I'm ditching a car, I'm still going to do carbon fiber, but I don't know if I need to keep this one around. We still have the NYG waiting for spring to finish up. And then we still have the El Camino, which is like a fall project. So as you see, we still have tons of projects. The only difference is going to be that blue SRT is sold, and I'll explain why when we go into the garage. So this is getting turbo swap still, which is going to be fun and exciting. But unfortunately, we have like an order of things. So I was jumping around from 3 to 4 cars at a time. I'm going to stop that. It is dusty. We do have the big turbo SRT swap here, and we got the cluster and the SRT cluster. We're waiting on a triple pillar pod and some other stuff. So this is almost done. Once the parts come from DCR, which hopefully within by next week, we'll have the head gasket, water pump, timing belt, balance shafts deleted, and a whole bunch of other stuff, and the parts in it. This will be gone until hopefully spring, and Johnny can have some fun with that. So the Roadster, we were working on this quite a bit. As you see, it's tight quarters in here with all the stuff on the go. We started the wire tuck. We got the dash in, and then we left it. There's a reason why I left the Roadster. I decided it was not going to make it to the car show in April. Just we have the truck to finish, we have the Civic truck to finish, we have the SRT, we have Johnny's car, and then the Roadster would be 5, and it was just fighting us along the way. We don't do this full time, so we can only do what we can do. So here is the SRT. If you guys aren't familiar, it's messy, it's dirty. I had to clean up this back bay. The Civic truck was back here, but this is 430 horsepower, big turbo SRT4. We do have the Viper seats. It's extremely dirty. Let's do a cold start. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little loud. So you can hear that the RPMs do hang a little bit, which means I have a vacuum leak. Quick and easiest way to tell. It's probably the vacuum line coming off the wastegate. I can't keep it on, it always blows off. So that's this car. It's dirty, it's dusty, it's back in the paint bay. Why is this in the paint bay? Well, a couple things. Let's see, is it this side? They're starting to peel the paint right there. Oh God, I just did that. So the fenders were rolled and the paint is broke. This side isn't bad. It's the other side. So I'm gonna paint that quarter panel. You come over here, you'll see it right there. So that needs to be addressed, and right there. So we're gonna have 2 quarter panels to fix and paint. I'm pretty sure front bumper, hood, and roof are gonna be repainted. And then I do have some prizes for you guys. We do have a carbon fiber rear diffuser, carbon fiber eyelids, carbon fiber fog light covers, and some other stuff. So we're gonna get that on, get it re-cleared. We are going to take out, oh God, you're gonna wanna hear this. The back seats are coming out. Why, you may ask? A, we're putting a roll cage in it. And B, we're doing a seat delete, and our nitrous is going back here. So I plan on putting the nitrous straight back here. What is this? 422 horsepower and 383. That seems a little low. 422, 422. For anyone that is not new to the channel, or new to the channel, the car made 430 and 409 for torque was the last numbers on low boost. So that isn't terrible. I'm pretty sure this is when it was tuned. So this is when it was tuned by Danny, 422 and 383. And I'm pretty sure that's corrected. So it's no... I'm positive that is corrected, which means I can take it anywhere and it would down on the same thing. So that's this. So we are putting a roll cage in it. We are putting a wet shot of nitrous in it. And now it's time to explain why we got rid of the blue SRT. Okay, so this is my game plan. So instead of having this turbo SRT big turbo, which is getting there, we have my big turbo SRT, and then we were gonna have the blue big turbo SRT. And then we're gonna have a turbo PT Cruiser and a turbo to NYG swap. Yes, the channel is called B is for Boost, but I want to kind of give you guys variety. I want to mix it up. So why have 3 SRTs? So that's why the blue car is gone. But instead, we're going to put the built 3-speed auto in the black car. We are going to put the built motor in the black car with the TK Motorsports built head with Crowler 3/4s. We're going to do that. And we're going to put the nitrous in the black car instead. And we're going to use our AEM standalone. And we're going to run E98 only. And we are shooting for 600 plus horsepower. Not going to explain what turbo I'm using because I've told you too much already. And well, it's going to be a secret. So that's that. That is the reason why we're going down to the 1 SRT. We're going to turbo swap the PT Cruiser still. NYG's up in the air. Do I SRT swap it? Do I leave it stock? I have no effing idea. I really don't know. I don't know what we should do. I guess we're going to play that. So this is how it's going to happen. The Civic truck's out for paint. Bodywork's all done, thank God. I will leave a link to the people that painted it or their phone number if you are local to us. So Kevin's a good guy, done some work for me in the past. And as you see, I have no room to paint in here and I'm not going to bother. So this is getting done in the next 2 weeks. That will be done. My SRT will be getting done by the end of February. So we're going into February now. It will be done, caged, nitrous, all the carbon fiber on. That will be exciting. Once this car goes, the blue Turbo Sierra is going to be in here. We're going to finish that up, get that done. For Speed Sport, we want the Turbo Sierra. We want the SRT, the Civic truck, and we're either towing Joey's Caliber SRT or we're towing the Fit, the J-Swap Fit. Hopefully it'll be wrapped by then too. And it'd be just good to get it out there to show the channel and stuff like that as well. That's getting nitrous as well. So we're gonna have 3 cars with nitrous, but I didn't tell you the third car. Third car is the Civic truck. We're gonna put a nitrous bottle in the truck, in the back of the bed. I think it's more just because it's gonna look cool and people are always back there looking. I think that's the idea. It'll be hooked up and stuff. It'll probably be a 50 shot wet, who knows. We still have the 3 Camaros. They're not going nowhere. And we're talking about cams, headers, exhaust, and 100 shot on the Camaro convertible 2011 SSRS. So let's give a rundown of what we're going to do. So we're doing this car, SRT, blue truck, and then the Civic truck needs to be finished as well. And then we'll jump on the Roadster right there. I'm not hoping to paint it. I'm hoping just to buff it. It should be done. And then we are going to jump on, I don't know, by that time, probably the Fit, because it'll be drag racing season then, and we need to get that done. And then we have the PT swap still to do, the SRT swap and the NYG. And if I drag anything home, and if you guys know me, I will drag something stupid home. So if you guys want to enter in, guys, just subscribe. Leave a comment down below saying done or hi, or you know, you're entered, so I know. And then go over to Instagram, do the same thing, gives you 2 chances to win. We're going to give away 1 shirt for YouTube, 1 shirt for Instagram of the LLL Fit. I did show a picture of what it's going to be. I'm going to do some decals as well. Maybe the LLL Fit decal, B is for Boost decal. Maybe I love my SRT if you guys are into SRTs, or I love my Civic, or whatever the case may be. We'll do a package of some decals to go to you guys as well. Just to help support us, we're going to, you know, hopefully give you guys something that you guys want. So thanks for checking me out, guys. I really do appreciate it. It helps me a lot if you hit that like button and subscribe. And until next time, well, wait, you didn't see the Civic truck. I'll play that right now. And then I will catch you next time, guys. Okay, so with the garage update, guys, you'll see the Civic truck. So the lights are out of it, hood's off of it. We got the lip, we got the fog lights in, and now it's going for paint. So we're not painting it here due to the fact is my garage is a disaster and I got water in my lines and no heater. I'm not going to bother. But the bumper's sitting in spot. It's pretty well ready. Just go there and take the mirrors off. You can take the bumper off and the front bumper off. Side skirts are sitting there as well, and it's good to go. You'll see the tailgate's done. Box is ready for the fake floor and the bed panels. The bed liner came in the other day, and now we're just going to load it up and have some fun. So if you're following the build, guys, make sure you stay tuned, and we'll show you what it's like when it's painted.